Okay, guys, I have a little guinea pig made of ANYCUBIC. I will put the HMI, basically where to get it in the video. If this is a little short video, please take the link to it because I can't put it in there. And here's the gray filament. I had to put a tag on it so I know which one it is. Um, yes, I do 3D printing as you see, just not as much because of limited funds. And also, I've been trying to get other things going and that. And if you're trying to get into 3D printing, I am now going to tell you it's a royal pain. Let me put this in the part. If you do not know how to fix tech or learn how to solder, it's not just the printer itself, it's soldering too. You're going to have to get a whole entire setup. So you think, I'm going to buy a $100 printer. You're going to spend easily $200 easily for proper equipment to be able to repair that printer. Now, if you comparison this against a 3D pen, that's easy. You're going to need a ton of stuff for soldering. You're going to have to deal with stuff, and you're going to need the proper equipment, not some cheap, low grade stuff out there. You're going to need proper equipment. Safety, first priority. HEPA filters are needed because of lead smoke. Some people out there say it's just nothing. No, it's lead smoke. It will kill you or shorten your lifespan. So don't mess around with that. Get proper. If it says a washable filter, don't even bother with it. And you don't need a massive setup. I got something which is like this big, which I should do a video on. And it's basics. I had to take out the little white filter. Like this is like a necessary for like wood particles, but it has the charcoal and HEPA filter still in it. It was designed for what I'm doing for, but it does a perfect job. It was designed for something else. But if you're trying to get into 3D printing, that's basically what you're looking at to have to do. I learned a lot while doing it. And there's actually some big YouTubers who say certain ways a better level. You're going to need to use a piece of paper. I tried their methods. Once they just jab it right into the build plate, you will have problems. I can guarantee it. I did what they told me to do. I used the glue stick. I used the paper tape. And I'm now on using hairspray, which is the best method. My method is different from everyone else's on how to apply it. And it's actually worked out really great. And how to zero it, I'm using paper. I'm literally not joking. It's easy for me to zero it. I can zero it in a matter of maybe a minute. I can zero a printer to maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I can have one zeroed. I know exactly how to do it. I have no problems with my printer. And my knowledge came from YouTube. Yes, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, which is what sent me down the wrong way. And these guys had over 1 million subs. And they were sending me down the wrong rabbit hole till I found the right YouTuber, which was actually a small YouTuber who explained stuff correctly. And the ones who had 1 million subs, they were giving out programs how to make like different design schematics. But when it came to zeroing, they were bad. They may have had their own way to do it, but they probably had the more expensive setup. But I have to do it all by hand. I have to turn the knobs myself, and I am still learning as is how to do 3D printing. So I'm gonna make some more 3D prints, and then if you check my primary channel, I do other stuff like Minecraft on the side. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next time. See you out.